What's up guys, welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how you can download Hamster Kombat app on every device. And in order to start you will need to make sure that you have Telegram installed. And right now I'm recording this on my iPhone, so I downloaded it in the App Store of course. And when you're using an Android or another device, just go to your store, the Play Store, and download Telegram and make sure it's configured and set up all the way and synchronized with your phone number. That will take like 5 minutes, so if you haven't done that yet, please pause the video and come back after. But let's dive in and assume you have it. So click on Telegram. Right now you can see the chats area. We have a search bar in it. We click on the search bar, and right now we're going to type in Hamster Kombat. It will pop up under global search if you do this for the first time. This is my second time, so I click on Hamster Kombat in here. We click on start, and now we click on play, and then the game will boot up. And if it is the first time for you, you will have a small tutorial, but I have already been through the tutorial, so I'm right now in the game. And this is basically how you download the game Hamster Kombat on every device. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.